Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are fine. Okay. Children, I very well know, along with playing games, you also spend time for study. My very good bachas. Now, today we again revise alphabet with one song. Let's watch it.
Come, little children, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, E, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Kids, yesterday I gave you worksheet regarding alphabet. I hope you all have solved it. Am I right? Today I will give you solution regarding worksheet. Let's check it. Let's start to solve our first worksheet. Our first alphabet is capital A. Now find small a and match it. Next one is capital Y. Find small y and match it. Next one is capital F. Very small f and match it. Next one is capital P. Find small p and match it. Last one is capital O. Find small o and match it. Yes, our worksheet is ready. Very good. Very nice. Now we will start to solve our next worksheet. Which alphabet is this? Capital L. L says lion. Match it. Now next one is capital D. This is dog. Very good. Next one is capital I. I says ice cream. Very good. Capital V. V says vase. Good. Then capital S. S says sun. Match it. Very nice. We solved our both worksheet. Very good, children. Children, I know you all are aware about the coronavirus. You all are taking precautions to stay away from this virus. I request you to wash your hands frequently and cover your mouth. Please stay inside your house. Have a nice day.